First one. Yeah, I've been working this guy for a while now. No, we don't. No, we don't. Whoo. First one, you guys. All right, man. You know, they say when the bite is tough, throw a net rig. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna throw a net rig on the Hank Parker that lose, because the bite's tough right now, you guys. There's a few bass here. There's a few dinks here and there, but they're just not going for it. First one. Yeah, I've been working this guy for a while now. No, we don't. No, we don't. Whoo. First one, you guys. Man, I almost lost him. Had to jump in here for him, you guys. Look at this. Ooh. First one. Let's go. All right, guys. So barely landed that first bass. I seen a pretty cool carp out here. It was bright orange and it was right next to an all black one, really dark colored one. So we got that cherry fever out right there doing its thing. I got some nice wax worms here. There's a lot of really finicky bass here. Small ones, probably like 12 inches, but they're real finicky. I managed to get one earlier with that net rig, but man, it took me a while and I threw everything at it. I threw all my go-tos at it and I finessed them with that net rig, but it's been a slow day, man. I've been here probably for about 2 hours. Gonna head out soon. It's already midday, so that bite's really slow down, you guys. Let's see if I can, there's like a nice 10-12 incher over here. Let's see if I can smack them just for giggles. Pretty good size one right there. God dang it. I lost my bait. There it is. Got a little bluegill. This guy's walled in. Got a nice little bluegill. Not exactly what I wanted, but bass bite kind of slowed down, so we're gonna do a little pan fishing here. Got some carp fishing going on. Only got one bass today this morning. Doing a little drop shot. And I'm gonna take the worms because I'm going for a nice little bass in here as well. But these little bluegills just don't give them a chance. They just smack it ASAP. Oh gosh. Multi-species day. Yes, sir. Multi-species day. Man, kind of fun fighting these little fish. Probably caught like 10 of them. I'm not keeping any of them, you know, just throwing them right back. They bite quick though, that's one thing for sure. And the bite, there it is. The bite is quick. You miss it, you miss it, and they steal your bait. They don't care. Pretty sure I have no more bait. They're pretty pretty. Oh, I do have bait. Look at these little guys. There's another one. Oh, chill out, little guy. Another little panfish. These are super babies. Look at this one. Red ear. I'm thinking I'm gonna bring my nephew and my niece here. My son, catch some bluegills. There's another one right there. What is this? This is a bass. This ain't no bluegill. This is a bass. Ooh. Okay. Little baby bass. This guy right here. Look at this little guy right here.